Welcome guys. We have another problem of orthographic projection. Orthographic projection. So that is the view, and that is the isometric view. And now uh, we just broke the three different views, and if that is a front view like this is a, suppose this is a front view, then this is your right hand side view and this is your top view. So all the basics you easily understand, you all know the basics of this. So I quickly start the drawing the front view, top view and side view. So here now using 2H pencil, for marking three lines which are parallel to each other and having a distance of 1 centimeter, and like this, that is 1, 2 and that is 3. So now first we just put where the view scenes, that means now here we use the third angle projection method, and according to the third angle projection method, the top view is always above and front view is just below it. And what about the side view? If we seen the side view from the left side, then it should be drawn to the left of the front view, and if we should see the object from the right side, then you again draw the right hand side view from the right of the front view. Okay, so no doubt here. So this is your right hand side view, and according to the third angle projection method, we have to draw the right hand side view from here. So this is your box, this is your place of the right hand side view, and place its dimension. So okay, and sorry, this is your third angle projection method, then now not this is your right hand side view, and this is your front view, and this is your top view. Okay, so starting with the front view. So what we see in from the front view, so we all know very well, from the front view we have length, okay, and we have a height. So what about length? So the maximum length is 98 mm. Okay, so here the length, basic dimension, length, height and width. So length is 98 mm, height is, starting height is 20, remember, so this is 20, and from here we have two more heights, that is from here the center is 21 and having a outside circle of radius of 21. So here 20 plus 21 plus 21, so that is 62. Okay, now what is the width? So you clearly see that is the 42 is the width of this object. So here we start front view to draw here. So select a point, and now what we construct, so you easily know that is a method of a box. So firstly we draw a box of what seen from the front view. So we know length and height, so we draw 98 into 62 of a box. So here placing 98 here, okay, you all seen from the screen, this is your 98 mm, so that is 98 mm, and again from here we draw a 62 mm of height. So because this is a third angle, so you drawn below, okay, and this is your box. So now start from here, what we seen, this is 98 mm, okay, and what initial height, this is 20 mm. So from here we draw I use a dark pencil for showing this. So here we draw a baseline of, so we have 98 mm of long line, okay, that is a 98 mm, and what we see, so after draw the 98 mm, so okay, let's start. So here from this 90 mm from both the ends we have 14 mm and 14 mm of line from both the end towards inside. So here clicking 1 second. So here this is your 14, and now from here this is your 14. So you complete this like this and again like this. Okay, now what this is from here this is 6 mm above clearly, so draw 6 mm above like this, again like this, and join these two, and we have a diagram like this. And from here this is 20 mm, again this is 20, so from both the ends we make a straight line towards the vertical and having a distance of 20 mm. Now this is your below side view and below view. Below, that is the view of below part of the front view. So this like this. Now this line and this line, so what about it? So firstly we make a 2H pencil and joining these two line, okay, like this. Okay, now this is your 14 mm. Remember, I not put a dimension here, but this is your 14 mm of width of 14. This width is 14. So what about the distance from here and from here? So easily calculate. This is 98 mm, this is 14, this is 14. So this is 42, and again this is 42. Remember, I forget to putting the dimension. So again the dimension is 42 and 42. What about 42? So that is 84, and remaining is 14. So here total distance from this is 42. So putting 42 from both the ends towards the inside. So this is your 42, and now from here again this was 42. This is 14 mm, and now this is 40. Okay, so this is your line. So from the front view you haven't seen any circle like this, because your side view shows the clearly circle, but here this is only height. So what is complete height? So this is your 21 and again 21, so total height is 42. So again now from here we make a line straight here, again from here now like this, and again for this and this and this. Okay, now remove the middle portion. Okay, so this is looking like that, and this circle is seen from the top view, and this circle is from the side view. So here is we seen a three separate hidden line for these three separate circle. One hidden line of for this circle is here, and for this is here, and again now for this side view is here. So we make a center is of for this circle, that is 21 mm. So here from here we put a distance, we mark a distance of 21 mm. Okay, so that is your 21 mm and mark as a center. So okay, this is your center line. So now you remove this useless or extra boxes, because they do not appear from the front like this. Okay, so till now we only seen like this, and after completing the further view we make a hidden line and complete this object. So now for the top view we start here, and for and from the top view what we seen, so here we have a length and width. Okay, so from top view length and width, and 98 mm and width is 42 mm. So now from here we take another pencil. Okay, so from the top view let's start. So from here what we have then, again we have to construct a box of size 98 and 42. So this is your last limit, last length of this front view. So now here, okay, and what about the height, what about the width? So width is 42 mm. So here this is your 42 mm, and now make a joint like this. Okay, so this is your layout where our box where we put the top view. Okay, so now start from, this is a box, and what we seen from the top. So this all portion like this box including circle and having a this type of thin strips, and this thin strips is not seen a circular, because this is only seen a rectangular shape. So like this. So here we extend this line, because this is center line and this is across all the width. So this is, and this is your center, okay, of this strip. So from the top is complete seen like this, and now here and here we need to make a circle. So this is in the center one 24, so again 24, and for the width side this is 21. So this is 42 mm and this center is 21 mm, and putting like this we make a thick line like this. Okay, now counting, just start. This is 24 mm, this is 24 mm, you look like this, this is 24 or and this is the 21. So here okay, so now what is this is 20 from both the side, the length of the circle, the center of the circle is 24. So here this is 24 and from here this is 24. Okay, now what is the radius of the circle? So here clearly seen that is 12 mm of circle. So from the center, and so this is 12 mm, so we make a 6 mm, we take a 6 mm radius for the 12 mm diameter. So now this is your 6 mm, and if having a problem then try this. Okay, and from here like this. So we have a two circle clearly seen from the top. So now this circle is not seen from the front but it is hide, so it is hidden. We representing this circle from the hidden line. So now this is your center. Okay, again for this is your again center. Now mark this hidden line. So this is your, from this is a 6 mm, and again this is your 6 mm. Again for here this is your 6 mm of hidden line, and again from here this is your of 6 mm. So this is looks like this. Okay, now here again we have a hidden line of, because this is not shown in here but this is still in this. So after drawing the side view we make this. So firstly we complete this. Okay, like this, this, and again this, and now there this we have two circle like this, Okay, now we draw this side view. So here we draw our right hand side view. So what is what we seen? So here length and height, sorry, width and height. So this is your height, so this is your width, and what about width? This is 42 mm. So again we need to draw a box, and taking a distance length of 42 mm. Okay, like this. And what about the height? So this side is this, again here we draw 42 mm like this, Okay, so this is your 42 mm. So now from here the box of the 20 is clearly seen. So this is clearly seen from here. So not to need any further dimension, and just place to arrange the MD parallel to it, and draw the line till the end. Okay, so that's like this. So your this view is totally this. Now we continue. So this is your center line. So again passing this line from here, this is your center line, no doubt. And again from here we need to put a center. So this is your 21 and this is your center line now. Okay, so this is your center line. Now this what appears from here? So this is a circle of 20 mm dia. So here we start marking 10 10 from both sides because diameter is 20 mm. So draw 20 10 10 from this side, and again like this. Okay, now we use this for and select a 10 mm diameter. So this is your 10 mm, and now we draw like this. Okay, now this is not seen in here, this strip, so make it a dotted line. So here we just send back and putting and using a 2H pencil for dotted line. So like this, and for this here Okay, so this circle is this hidden line is from the hidden line of the side view, front view is shown by this line, because this circle is not exactly seen from front view. When we see this object, then this circle not appear from the front view, this is only appear from the side view. So this is side view. And now what you can easily see that this portion is not seen from the side view, so putting dimension for it. So also take a center line like this. Okay, and now this is your center line, having no doubt, and again this is your center line. And now for this again we need to draw center line. And what is this? This is a 6 mm, 12 mm. So putting 6 from both the side, and this is, I think, 1 second, this extra 6 mm height is not shown here, so we need to move like this, and it dotted line. So this is your dotted line. Okay, so now again we have a circle like this. So taking the center, and this is your 21. So I have a 21. Sorry, I do not have any 21 radius. So now we use this center and this distance. Okay, and draw a circle like this. Like this. So once again, an extra line is removed, erased. Now again I show you, this is the center, and take a radius of this, and like this. Okay, so now from here this line are not seen, this line, so make is hidden. And what is laying, and this is your 12, so putting a 6 from both ends. Now this is your 6 and putting is a dotted line. Now this is your 12, again this is your dotted line. So this is like this, and this is removed. So now I make it easy like this, and this, and this. Now make a circle like this, and again for here like this. Okay, so this is your center. Again we need to draw center. This is your center, and this is your, okay, and now here again we need to draw center. Okay, so we already talked about this circle which is not appeared from the top but is still there. So what about this? This is 20 mm. So from here this is your center line. Remember, this is your center line. Now 10 mm above and 10 mm below we make a hidden line, because we not seen from the from your our open eyes. So make it dotted line. Not this is your dotted line. Okay, one more point I tell you that from the top this line, this 6 mm of line is not seen, but it's still in our diagram. So it is also here we need to again draw a hidden line. For this we show this, okay, like that. So it is again a hidden line, and for this we draw now again a hidden line. So this complete the three views completing the orthogonal position of this particular objects, and I hope you understand it. So I make a dimension. This complete view shows the orthogonal position of this. So I just make easy for you. So this shows this line. Okay, what they appear, so they show this box, this is show your front side view, sorry, this shows your side. So this figure, this color shows your side view. Now what is from the front view? So this diagram shows, so this diagram shows front view. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you.